Supplier user-defined fields. Company, change company settings, user-defined fields, supplier. When you create supplier, you can enter supplier details such as addresses and contact details. If you want to add more information about your supplier, you can use this supplier user-defined fields. There are 4 types of fields. Text values. You can enter an alphanumeric description up to 50 characters. Numeric values. You can enter numbers. Yes, no values. This is a checkbox which you can check or uncheck. Date values. You can enter dates. You can add 12 additional fields for each supplier. 3 text values, 3 numeric values, 3 yes no values and 3 date values. For an example, if you want to add supplier business registration number to the system, you can change its label name to business registration number. After that, when you create supplier, under user-defined fields name, you can view business registration number. Like that, you can change user-defined fields label names from here. After change label names, you can save.